Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu SQ Music, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So, first we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to scroll down, find the Garmin Connect application on the list right here, tap on it. And here we need to make sure that a couple of things are enabled. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and here, it's green. Then tap on notifications, and here make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. If it's not, tap on the switch to enable it. You can customize it right here. I'm just gonna leave it as default, but make sure that the notifications are enabled. Once you're done here, you can go back to settings, scroll up, tap on the Bluetooth settings, find the Venu SQ on the list of devices, tap on the info button next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. If it's enabled, you can close this. And now you can open the Garmin Connect application on your phone. In the app, tap on More. Right here, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, select your Venu SQ from the list. On this page, tap on Alerts, then tap on Smart Notifications. And here we have a couple of options. First option is during activity. So basically, here you can customize the notification settings for your watch if you're recording an activity on your watch. Basically, if you're recording your run or swim or something like that. Not during activity is when you use your watch normally, you don't record any activity. And privacy option, basically you can customize some privacy settings. So let's tap on the during activity first. And here we can select show all. It will show all of the all types of notifications. Call and text only. It will show only calls and texts. Calls only and off. Select the option you like by tapping on it. Next we have during and not during an activity. Select the option you like. And privacy option is basically here if you select the action, you will need to perform some action to view the notifications, or gesture if you select gesture. Okay. Once you're done customizing your notification settings, you should be able to receive them on your watch. So I'm just gonna open Discord on my phone and write myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, I got the notification on my iPhone and on my watch also, so it's working. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can swipe up or down on the screen after you wake up the screen, of course, to scroll through the list of widgets and scroll until you find the notification widget. And here we have the notifications. You can tap on them to read them. We can swipe up then, and we can clear them, dismiss them, and I believe that's about it. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.